Hey everyone, welcome to our manufacturing control tower demo. In manufacturing, the biggest challenge isn't knowing what happened. It's knowing what is about to happen and having enough time to act. Plants lose production and revenue when material, capacity, quality, or planning issues are discovered after the target has already been missed. Our manufacturing control tower gives leaders an early operating view of what is on track, what is at risk, and what action protects production and customer commitments. In this demo, we will walk through 3 decisions: how today's shop floor is performing, where future production risk is building, and whether the coming days of production can be built with the available materials. Let's start with the execution overview, our command center for current operations. Right at the top, we can instantly monitor production output, plan attainment, OEE, quality, downtime, and projected end-of-day production. If performance starts slipping, the plant performance metrics quickly tells us which plant is responsible, while a single click drills down to detailed line-level KPIs. Hover tooltips provide additional operational metrics like rejects, breakdowns, and capacity utilizations without leaving the page. Finally, the OEE decomposition tree helps us perform root cause analysis by breaking OEE into availability, performance, and quality while drilling from plant to line to shift. In just a few clicks, we move from an executive production snapshot to the exact operational issue requiring attention. Next is the production risk intelligence page. While the first page tells us what is happening now, this page tells us what is likely to happen in the forecast month. At the top, we see forecast production, target production, forecast attainment, expected shortfall, overall risk score, and revenue at risk. The priority strip converts the analysis into action by identifying the highest risk plant line SKU, the likely driver, and the recommended recovery step. The risks profile break risk into material, capacity, quality, and planning scores, so the user cannot just see who is at risk, but why. Hovering over a plant extends these insights to the line level. The bridge and the driver visuals show how each driver contributes to the expected shortfall, making the forecast more explainable and easier to defend. Now, let's look at production readiness, the material feasibility view. This page checks the future plan against plant level inventory, expected supplier receipts, and BOM requirements. At the top, it shows plant production, material supported production, blocked quantity, readiness percentage, and revenue at risk. This shows when readiness starts falling across the next 7 days along with build feasibility. And this visual shows which materials become short and on which day and how much. The table adds shortage quantity, start day, and lead time so teams know what to expedite, transfer, or substitute first. Now, let's take this one step further. Everything we've seen on the dashboard can also be accessed through our production risk intelligence agent. So, instead of navigating through multiple visuals, let's simply ask it. First, let's ask, why are we expected to miss our production target? The agent gives us the bigger picture, showing the expected production gap and what's driving it. Here, material risk is the biggest contributor, followed by capacity and planning, while quality has minimal impact. It also highlights where we should focus next. Now, let's say I am an operations manager and I want to know where to focus first. I'll ask, which production line should I prioritize today? The agent ranks the lines based on their expected business impact, so we immediately know where intervention can make the biggest difference. And finally, let's move from understanding the problem to taking action. What actions should I take to recover production? The agent translates the gaps into a prioritized recovery plan, identifying the highest impacted lines and recommending specific actions. From reducing changeover losses and stabilizing bottlenecks to balancing operators and protecting critical production. Beyond conversational queries, the agent can also generate AI-powered deep insights. These are automatically prioritized analyses that combine business context, supporting evidences, recommendations, and visualizations into a single explainable view. The manufacturing control tower turns fragmented manufacturing data into a single decision layer. It helps teams monitor today's execution, understand future production risks, and act early on material constraints before they become misproduction. Thank you so much.